If you're someone who sells digital courses or paid subscription programs and you want more sales, here are 3 videos and 2 funnels that are gonna get you more sales. The first video is what I call the BDA journey. It's the before, during, and after journey. Show somebody where you were before, what it was like during, and then after you figured it out. Video number 2, how to achieve X. Teach somebody how to achieve X, Y, Z. Take them through the steps and then use a call to action, push them to your product. Video number 3, an introduction to, an introduction to how to sell courses online. Whatever it is that you sell. Show them the problem, solution, how to fix it, and then at the end, pitch your education program to them and make money. Funnel number 1, let's audit your situation. Do a simple assessment, do a scorecard over them. Take down some answers from them, ask them questions that you need to know. On the next page, teach them something about what it is that you do, and then follow up with emails driving to videos so they can meet you and know, like, and trust you. Funnel number 2, create a wait list. Hey, I'm getting ready to do this thing and get a bunch of people to opt in, and that's gonna give you signal. Do people actually want what it is that you're offering? And then on the next page, teach them what it is that you sell, how you help them, why it's so good, and then follow up with emails. If you do these things consistently every day and you show up every day, you're gonna get more sales. If you want me to teach you this stuff, I have a program called Build Lab. Just go to makeonce.com and click on Build Lab up in the top.